What do you do when crypto starts to crash? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how. So you've got all of these things going on, whether it's the Fed's announcements, whether it's the pandemic, whether it's unemployment, inflation, the holidays, all of this stuff can impact any marketplace, whether it's the real estate marketplace or the stock marketplace. But crypto in general, it's volatile. I mean, think about this. Back in December 2017, it was worth $20,000. A year later, in December of 2018, it was only worth $3,500. Think about the volatility in that. It's rare to see that kind of volatility, and you've got people putting 80 or 90% of all of their money into crypto, trying to think they're gonna make it big. Now, some people do, but it's a highly volatile market, and if you're uncomfortable about putting all of your savings into crypto, rightfully so, listen to what your heart and your mind is telling you. Don't get caught up in the fear of missing out. Don't get caught up in the hype train, right? Crypto's everywhere. So I get why we want to invest, but you got to understand, I want you to think of it as vanilla ice cream. You know, you could love vanilla. It's boring a little bit, right? So I want your investment portfolio to be like vanilla. Your stocks, your bonds, your EFTs, your IRAs, your savings plan. All of these things are just kind of vanilla because they're old school, and I get it. But that's where a majority of your investment should come from. If you want crypto, put a little sprinkling, dazzle a little bit of chocolate, put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that. And that's what crypto is for. Whenever you see something coming up into the marketplace, add a little bit. Add a little bit of charma, a little bit of sprinkles, but understanding the boring should be what your overall structure is. I'm not saying don't invest in crypto. Absolutely understand it, look at it, utilize it as a portion of wealth building, just to give it a little flavor, not as your primary thing. Have a savings plan in place. Make sure that you're allocating and diversifying your portfolio. And what diversifying means is that if you want to experiment with things, it'll give you a little bit of balance. You can have the exciting new stuff that the hype train is about, but you can also have standard, your regular, your plain old vanilla again, to give you that structure you need as you build wealth over time. If you're wondering why everything around you is getting more and more expensive, go ahead and click on this video about inflation.